the lift at JD in Brisbane City. This used to be Top Man and Top Shop.
Loading dock.
Still has loading dock. Huh.
Level 1. Level 2.
Has all different buttons. Loading dock is staff only. Let's get ground. Not very good condition this thing. Let's get the announcement.
Level 1. Loading dock. Ground.
Ground. The card reader's having it.
Loading dock.
Someone's getting at loading dock. Let's have a look what loading dock looks like. Hey guys.
Level 1.
No door closed. Maybe there's no door closed one. The doors are very bad condition. Cab view.
Level 2.
Level 2. So look at the outside LOP. Level 2, isn't it? Oh, level 3 is the top floor. See the light time calls it again. Not very good condition. Loading dock.
Level 1. Loading dock. Ground.
Ground.